How to make a Snapchat account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can make a Snapchat account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you'd like to make a Snapchat account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Snapchat application here. By the way, if you already do have an account, then you can also tap the login button from the bottom, or you can directly tap the sign up option that you can find here. Tap the continue option to allow any sort of permission that the Snapchat app requires here. First of all you have to do is make sure to enter the name you'd like to use for your Snapchat account. Then tap the continue option and then also select your birthday. I would recommend you, even if you're not over 18, just enter a birthday that would make you over 18 years of age, just so that you won't face any issues later on. And then just tap the continue option again. It will ask you to choose a username that is right for you. Make sure to choose a username. It's difficult to change it later, so make sure to choose properly. Tap on continue, create a password, and your Snapchat account will get successfully created. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically make a Snapchat account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.